able to find out that we want to discuss now. So first, this is one theme of the problem statements. So the theme name is blockchain and cybersecurity. So this is latest technology of computer science department. For find out the innovations from this topic is very easy because of it is very powerful and very secure in different types of recent technologies. So now, what is blockchain? So the blockchain is a system recording information in a way of that makes it difficult. So here, hacking and some type of systematic things will be occurred unauthorized person. So that will be protect from the unauthorized person through this blockchain concept. So that's why we are using this type of technology. Then here we are all have so many data or different type of data types also available. So using the data only we are going to transaction by our facilities, by our utilization of data. So distributing the data only we can share all the process will complete. The type of process we are going to share different type of data. That will be the digital value. That digital value will be the maintain log from the blockchain technology. So because of if you are losing any data means it will be find out through the entire network where it is lost, where it is occurred hacking, where it is occurred cheating the system. So that will be find out through this blockchain technology only. So that type of advantages provided by this blockchain technology. And then cyber security. So nowadays cyber security is it is a powerful of our utilizing any recent technologies because it gives more security from unauthorized person. So protecting your particular systems or any devices. Then some theft also will happen. So that will be if theft also any devices will theft means that will be not able to utilize the particular thief. So because it will not use, why is it will be encoded. So that the thief also not able to find out the solution the particular device passwords. So that type of security will be provided from the technology of cyber security. So it will be very sensitive things. Then protect from the unauthorized users accessing the vulnerabilities and anomalies. That means virus attack or any hacking process will be under any unauthorized person means that will be recovered from the cyber security technology. So simply we can say encoded all the things what user can viewing the data or utilizing the data, that will be totally encoded. So no one can able to know easily. So in business process also very sensitive or crucial informations will be shared through online mode. So that will be protected by using this cyber security technology. So this is the short explanation of blockchain and cyber security technology. So now we are going to discuss the problems of given so many problems. So that will be we'll see. So first the problem statement title is software toolset for storing storage browsing and permission based access to geospatial data using blockchain. So here what is the problem is nowadays we are accessing so many locations, so many particular area we can view as a spatial informations through Google Map or anything, but we are all just viewing and moving somewhere. So we cannot able to store the data from the geospatial informations. So that is a problem. So if you want to require, if you required any data from the geospatial things, so that will not here. So now we want to create a software. That software is going to store the geospatial information, and if anyone needs to access that data, that will be provided. Authorized person only need to provide the particular data, so that will be distributed by the geospatial data sets. So that is a problem. If you find out any solutions, means you can able to find out this. So next one is graphical password authentication. That is a problem. So here, simply nowadays we are using a password is very only text. That means alphabetical letters. That will be uppercase or lowercase, or and then numbers. That means numerical values. Then special characters. All the special characters are available. So these all are the passwords we are providing nowadays. But in this problem, they are given a problem. They are expecting the solution by the password is will be image. So example, smiling emotions symbols also available in mobile, and keypad also available, that particular clip arts logos like that. So that will be the keep as a password for your login process. Anything, if your mobile password, or any web portal login password, like that. So if you all the login processes will be image oriented inputs only needed. So that is a technical things. That is a solution of this particular statement. So if you find this is available from Smart India Hackathon websites. So this is the serial number of particular problem statement. So you can also able to see this particular problem statement. Then if you got the solution, so you just approach to college. So that will be priceable. So next one is network traffic analyzer. So here the network traffic analyzer is nowadays through network we are sending the data. So the data will be converted as a packet. So huge amount of data is also sending through packets only. Packets means it is a small bit of data. Uh, so they are transferring the data through packets. So that is transport layer also done the particular process. So which IP address going to reach the particular packets. So that will be sent through this particular transport layer. In that process, we occurred any anomalies, or any operational issues, any hardware failure, anything will occur, means we cannot find out that insights we need to see. So if where it is occurred the traffic, so that we need to find out through the particular software. So that type of software only need a solution. So here networking skills, and you can find out such anomalies in the network also as an extension. Anomalies means it is a virus attack, malicious attack, like that we can say. That will be recovered from the where it is occurred, and then find that will be recovered from the particular network. So then only if you clear that particular issues, then only the traffic will be very fast. So next thing, tracing IP address and details of unidentified participants while academic sessions. So now you are all attending a session through Gmeet. So in this, you are all not having any permanent ID. So that permanent ID, only you are the authorized person. That permanent ID only shows you are the actual authorized person. So without ID, we cannot admit or we cannot enter into the particular meeting. So like that, they are if you your name also in unauthorized person, any unauthorized, find out your names, find out your IDs, and then using that ID, that unauthorized person also will enter in the particular meeting. So we are all need to find out the all participants IP address. So that will be the solution of this particular problem statement. So if you are entering into the webinar or any session, anything, your IP address also will be traceable. So like that software we need. So next one is uh, it will be the same as a previous problem statement, but here proxy server or VPN, virtual private network. So proxy server means we can able to we able to see other countries informations, recent informations through internet. uh, Next thing is, if you are if you in your system they are blocking some particular websites, means that websites can able to see this see the through this particular proxy servers. So server means they can find out different type of domains. So in our country, they are giving a .in. .in means domain name. .india, co.in, .com. That will be the domain names. But in our country, they are given .in in our government.in, like that they are mentioned. So in Australia, the domain is .au, then .pk. So like that, the Pakistan domain. So you can able to see the particular country recent informations through Google. But if you are entering in our Google search engine, we cannot able to find out the informations. That will be shows only the recent updates of our country only. So if you want to see the any other country informations, any other things, means you need to use particular domains, other country domains. So all are entered in URL www.google.com. That home page will occur. That home page search engine below, you can able to see India, like that. If you want to see Australia, if you want to see Pakistan, you can run through proxy server. So AU proxy or PK proxy. So like that, we have to find out the proxy. In that proxy, we can enter that Google website. That will be shows as a Australia, shows as a Pakistan, like that. They shows what is the usage, means any unauthorized person using that proxy, they can access our information. So we cannot able to find out. So that is a problem here. So we need to trace out who all are using proxy server, and then attack our systems, like that. We have to find out the solution. So through this proxy server, they can attack your particular information. So we need to find out the solution. So we need to trace out the proxy servers trace IP addresses. So that is a difference before statement and this statement. So next is big data searching. So in big data means huge amount of data. You are all very well known that. So in huge amount of data, we have to find out. You have to pick some. You identified data, means that will be very tough. So in your system also, sometimes you will never get what you are searching file. That is a problem. So we have to find out using some extensions. Extensions mean each file have extensions. So using that extensions we can trace out the files easily. So that files under under numeric values or alphanumeric values or alphabetical values, like that we represent. We have to create a software like that. So the database we are mentioning, the JPG format is this type of presets. So we have to mention and store in that in particular information. Using that keys, you can find out some particular format. If you searching that key, using that key, we can find out a particular format of any file. So that will be the easily find outing some files, usually searching some files in big data. So next one is drone neutralization technique in city, then crowd areas to neutralize drones without hampering the radio signals or other equipment in certain range. So here drone in drone activity, we are find out where it is, then near already executing drone, near any drone will within the range it will occur means it will be indicate that is the illegal entry. So within the particular distance we need to keep up, we need to keep. So that distance will be very close means it will make a problem. So that we have to find out. So that is the problem here. So we have to indicate the particular information with near you another drone will occur. In this case, in geospatial informations or any historical sorry, any landmarks also they provide in there. The drone will come back to you like that. So like that informations the software will need to notify. So we have to create a software like this. So next one is vehicle recognition by using existing general surveillance camera. So in this, nowadays police are using some machine. So that machine will be they are entering the numbers of vehicle, that shows informations only, that shows information. So that informations using that keys only they are providing, but through the camera they are capturing the your vehicle numbers, registration number. So they are recognizing the particular details. So don't want to enter as a keys. So using the software we need to find out the solution. Next here traffic transfer of multimedia data through police radio sets. So nowadays walkie-talkie is available in all policemen's. That walkie-talkie only through audio conferencing only going on. So in this in this sets we need to establish sharing informations through images, videos and MP3 or MP4 videos, format videos. So we have to establish any software in that radio sets. So next detection of criminal activities and the criminal through CCTV by analyzing live footage merely on mob information, body language of suspect, etc. For example, any unbehavioral activities will happen. The CCTV cameras only recording video, but they didn't any reply. They didn't any abnormal activities means they didn't find out. But in your software they are covering the particular video. So in this video any abnormal activities occur means that will be notified. So that criminal activity need to analyze. So next one is speech to text conversion for local ethnic languages of MP like Malawi and Bengali. So the villages are speaking only uh, their languages, but the policeman knows only Hindi language. So anyone will complain means they speak their own language, but the policeman hear only the Hindi language. That will be transferring, converting their rural language into Hindi language. So that type of transfer need to provide in this software. So that is a solution of this software. Okay. Then just go through on this serial numbers in from Smart India Hackathon. If you have any ideas or a solution, if you find out any solution, if you identify any solution, you just approach through this college in your HODs or any faculties. So you just register and apply. It will be awarded to you. So any queries or any questions, if you have, kindly ask me. Hello. So no one having any query. Anyone understood what I said? Just give me a response. Hello. No. Thank you. Thank you all of you. Thank you for listening my lecture. Thank you so much.